Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, fail to start Hytale Authentication error, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So this problem can occur due to a variety of issues, so I'll show you two solutions of how you can fix it. The first one is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here view network connections, and then you're going to select your network connection here. If you're on an Ethernet connection, you should have Ethernet, and if you're on a wireless connection, you should have WLAN. So just select your network connection, right click on it, click properties, and then scroll down on here. Just make sure you untick internet protocol version 6 because IPv6 is the one having problems with Hytale right now. So just untick internet protocol version 6 and then click OK. After that, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you set your date and time in sync with the internet, because if your date and time is not in sync, then your computer has trouble connecting to the internet. So just open up your start menu, write date and time, set your time zone here. Once you're done with that, click set time automatically and then click sync down here. Wait for it to sync. Once it's done syncing, now you can go ahead and play Hytale and you'll see that your game will now work correctly. You will not get that identity token signature verification failed error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.